Write today's date, everyone there. It's 18. Section A, page number 10. Yeah, Abhivir, tell me what's your doubt? Abhivir. Yeah, okay. Now tell me the answers. So store the number of items purchased. What is that? Is it yes or no? Number, text, date, and time. Number of items purchased. What is the data type we use? Yes, Anvita. Yeah, where are you? One second. Raise your hand. Yeah, Anvita, tell me.
Ma'am, will you send this in MCB, ma'am? Because I don't have my course book. I'm at my grandmother's house.
Okay. Yeah, who will tell this answer? Raise your hands. To store the number of items purchased, what's the data type that we have to use? Just read.
Ma'am, we have to use number, ma'am.
Yes, that is a number database. Sorry, data type means A2. What is that given? 2. Okay. Now store the date on which an employee joined the company. Which one? Which data type we have to use? Hitansh. Ayo, which one? Tanushree, tell me, ma.
Data and time, ma'am.
Yeah, right. Good. Date and time comes under, okay, fourth one. Right. The next one, what is that? Store whether the fees are paid or not. To store whether the fees paid or not. Which data type we have to use? Yeah, Vilohit, tell me. Tell
Ma'am,
Vilohit.
yes or no, ma'am?
Yeah, right. So that comes to first. Yes. The next one, what is that? Store the name of the customer. Name of the customer, Bhuvan. Okay.
Ma'am,
Tell me. To store name of the customer, which one? Which data type we have to use? Name. What happened, Bhuvan?
data sheet, ma'am.
See the question what I am asking there. Match the following for the data type I am asking. To store the name of the customer, which data type we have to use? See that match the following, page number 10. Agastya, tell me.
Ma'am, text, ma'am.
Yeah, it's text. Right. Right now. Good. So A2, 2, B2, 4, C2, 1 and D2, 3. Right? Yes. So next one, what is that? They have given a table. This you have to write in your notebook, everyone. Okay? Write the table as it is in your this thing notebook. This is week 2 notes, right? So write down there. What is that heading? Heading you have to write is database management in MS Access, starting MS Access, right? So that is a heading. Look at the database given below. How many records are there in the table? Yeah, tell me how many records are there in the table? Srikshita, tell me the answer. Srikshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, page number 10. How many records are there in the table? Section B. Are you having the course book with you? Shikshita, I'm asking to you. Yes, Siddhansh, tell me, ma.
Ma'am, it's 5, ma'am.
Yes. 5. 5 records. How many fields are there in the table? Srihit.
Ma'am, how many fields, ma'am? Ma'am, I think 5, ma'am.
How, ma'am? See, ma'am, once. It's student
Ma'am.
ID.
6, ma'am. 6, ma'am. 6.
6.
Not 5, 6. 6 fields.
Yes.
Records are five records, ma'am.
Vertically or fields, rows or records.
Records.
List the data types of all the fields. That what you have to do is you have to write the field and you have to mention it's a field, so data type. So how will you write like that? How will you write that? In the form of a table, you have to write. 1 second. I'll go for the next. Okay, like this you have to write field and the data type. So like this you have to write a table for CBIT. So total 6 are there, right? So like this 6 you have to do. So first is student's ID. First name, last name, address, date of birth, and bus number. So here you can mention their data types. The student's ID would be obviously its number, name would be text, last name also text, address also text ma, because text includes letters and also alphabets, sorry, numbers also letters. So you can, in address means you'll have both, right? Alphabets will be there and also numbers, so you can mention text only. Date of birth, date and time, bus number would be number again. And D is what? Which field should be specified as a primary key? Obviously, what is that? Yeah, below, tell me, ma.
What is second one, ma'am?
Second one means B1.
Ma'am, no. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
6.
B1.
How many fields are there? 6, na?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Student's ID will be the primary key. Now what you have to do is open your classworks. Open your classworks and this B, section B, this first one you have to write it in your notes. Write the table, write the details. The table you have to draw. Yes, Master, tell me.
Ma'am, we should draw the table in notebook.
Yes, ma, write as it is. Answer to the following questions to be written in the notebook. So, look,
Yeah.
you have to draw the database. I mean, table you have to draw. Same as it is, how it is given in your course book. Like that only you have to write the questions and answers. Yes, ma, Agatya, tell me.
Ma'am, like total section B, ma'am. Like
Yeah, the table you have to draw as it is, how it is given, and down questions you have to write. A1 first question you write, then answer. B question, then answer. C like how I have written in the table form, like that you have to write. And D like that. So make it fast. You can write it in 5 minutes. Write fast. Because if I give in as a homework, you will not write. I know that. That's why right now only it's very easy. Otherwise, table you can draw it later. Leave some place for the table and write that questions, answers fast. Table you can write. Everyone have the course books, na? Ronit. Yeah, tell me, Ronit.
Ma'am should write match the following also in notebook.
No, not match the following. Only section B, first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Only section B. The table you can do it later, write it later. Just write that questions and answers first. Ashwin is there. Audio is not there. Okay. Yes, I already informed you that this theme you'll be having practicals in the school. You have to come to school and perform the practicals, right? So be prepared. Maybe maximum in the February first week, I'll call you for the practicals. One day, one class. So your day, everybody should attend, not the next day or that next day. The same day, whenever you are asked to come, the same day you have to come and do the practicals after the classes. Okay, for 5 marks. If you don't come, your wish, you lose 5 marks. That's it. Shrinika, tell me.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, which you wrote on the board, what is that, ma'am?
That is C. Can't you see? I have written everything correctly.
Ma'am, you should draw that table.
Yeah, for C. C bit. List the data types
First,
of.
we should draw this. Ma'am, first we should draw this table and we should write
I said leave some place for the table. Afterwards, you can write. First, write that
this
question
table.
and answers. No, not this table. I'm saying that question. Whatever the question table it is given, that you can write it later. A, B, C, D. Write down fast. For C, list the data types of all the fields. This table you have to write. So all the fields you have to mention and the data types also you have to write. So like this only you have to write fast. Did anyone completed? Just show me if you have completed. I want everyone to write it now and show me. At least ABCD questions. The table you can write it later. Nobody completed? Yes, Ma Srihit.
Ma'am, section C first be done, ma'am.
Did section C why you went there? Section B completed in your notes.
No.
I told you to write Now only.
Okay,
Write
ma'am.
and show me fast. Yes, Srinika.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show A and B?
A is 5, B is 6. 5 records and 6 fields.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Agasya.
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am. I told to make move some up, ma'am. Table.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm doing work. Starting.
Vilohit completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me?
Okay, ma'am.
Table question where you'll write?
Wrote here, ma'am.
You didn't left the page, a place. Not that, Nana. Question. Where is that table given in the course book? That table you have to write now. So where you'll draw that?
I will draw that, ma'am.
Where? After answer, you'll write question.
Some.
Okay. Done, everyone? Anagda, writing?
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Can you show me, ma?
Ma'am, next one, 1 minute, last one.
Ma'am,
Mm.
complete. Ma'am,
Yes, ma, Srinika. Completed. Show me, Srinika. Yes. Blank desktop. So the default view is what? Data sheet view. But which view we can add fields? That is design view. We have to add fields first, not the records. First fields should be added, that is in the design view. It will ask table name, table 1 you can give or anything you can give. Okay, demo. The first one is students ID. So it can be auto number or just a number. Then next, first name, could be text. Last name, also text. Next one is address. This we can take long text. Date of birth. And bus. Bus number. So I have created, right? So now what we have to do? Control, yes, save. Then for adding records, we have to go to data sheet view. See here, first name, last name, address, date of birth, everything, all the fields are created. Now we have to go on adding the records. Okay. So what is the first one? The number is 101. First name it is Siddhant. 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 Kabra. Okay. 31/7B Park View. Date of birth 10/12/2002. Bus number 5. Okay. Next one is 61. Karan Karan Jain 66 Terrace Garden. One dash 5/2000 and bus number is 3. Next is 57 Samita Hegde 76/7B Blue Diamond 12/1/2003 and bus number 5. 105 Jayanti Rao. Wait. 1 dash Sayonara. Date -22/1999. Bus number is 2. Last one 35 Aruna Vijayan 601 Paradise. Paradise Apartments. Okay, bus number 1. Okay, again control S, saved, right? So this is what your table has been, sorry, database created, right? So first of all, in the, what is that? The default view is data sheet view, but we have to add the fields first. So which view we have to open? Design view. In design view, first we have to create fields, then we have to go to data sheet view for opening, sorry, for creating the field, sorry, records, right? Right, everyone?